Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
We are your essential English podcast for learning English the easy, practical, and fun way. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We are truly so happy you are here with us again today.
Today, we are facing the ultimate fear, the biggest fear for all English learners, the restaurant fear.
It is true. You study for months, years, but when the waiter asks, "What can I get for you?" your mind goes completely blank. You can only whisper, "I'll have..."
Or even worse, you are at the coffee shop and you just point because you don't know the simple words for latte or decaf.
This episode is your ultimate food English lifesaver. We give you 150 plus words and phrases for everything you eat, from ordering coffee to cooking a big meal to paying the bill.
We will go step by step, slowly, so you can overcome all your food and ordering anxieties.
Let's start with the small fear, the coffee shop. This is usually the first service interaction you have in English.
When you order coffee, there are 4 main decisions you need to make: size, type, milk, and temperature.
First, size. Do you know the 3 common sizes? Say them after us. Small, medium, large.
In the US, they often say tall, grande, venti. Say it slowly. Tall, grande, venti.
Second, type. Are you ordering a regular coffee or something fancier? Say these slowly. Espresso, latte, cappuccino, decaf.
Decaf is very important. It means coffee with no caffeine. You must know this word.
Third, milk. They will ask, "What kind of milk would you like?" Your simple options are whole milk, skim milk, or oat milk.
Fourth, temperature. Do you want it hot or iced? Say it hot or iced.
The final sentence. To order, you can say, "I'd like a medium latte with skim milk and make it hot." Say it slowly. "I'd like a medium latte with skim milk and make it hot."
Now for the big fear, the full restaurant experience. We will break it down into 4 simple steps.
Step 1. Getting seated. When you enter the restaurant, you say, "A table for 2, please," or "We have a reservation under the name Ben."
They might ask, smoking or non-smoking? You say, non-smoking, please.
Step 2. Ordering the food. When the waiter comes, you can start with a question. "What do you recommend?" Say it, recommend.
To state your order, never just point. You must say, "I'll have the," or "I'd like to try the."
Say it slowly after us. "I will have the chicken pasta."
If you have an allergy, this is important. You must say, "I am allergic to nuts." Say the word. Now let's talk about the food itself, using descriptive words and cooking verbs.
First, cooking verbs. When you cook at home, what actions do you take? Say these slowly. Bake, fry, boil, steam.
Bake means cooking in an oven. Fry means cooking in oil. Boil means cooking in hot water. And steam is cooking with hot vapor.
Second, describing taste. You need more than just good. Say these slowly. Sweet, salty, sour, spicy.
If you want to say something is very tasty, you can say, it is delicious, or it is mouth-watering.
Third, fruits and vegetables. Let's talk about basic fruits. Say these slowly. Let's put everything together in a long, difficult role play. I am the customer. Emma is the busy server.
Welcome to the English Diner. I can seat you here. What can I get for you today?
Thank you. I would like to try the coffee first. I'll have a large decaf latte with oat milk.
A large decaf latte with oat milk. Got it. And what would you like for your main dish?
I think I'll have the fish. Wait, I need to ask, is the fish fried or is it baked?
It is baked, sir. We do not fry our fish, and it is served with boiled vegetables.
Perfect. I will have the baked fish. Thank you.
Time passes. Here is your fish. Enjoy.
Excuse me? Emma, I think there is a small issue.
Oh, I am so sorry. What is the problem?
I ordered the fish, but this fish is extremely spicy, and I cannot eat spicy food.
Oh, I understand. I will take it back right away. Would you like the pasta instead? It is very salty, but not spicy.
Yes, I'll have the pasta. Thank you so much.
Time passes again. Ready for the bill?
Yes. Check, please. And can we split the bill?
End scene. We used almost all the vocabulary.
Wow, that was a huge lesson. We covered 5 topics in one: coffee, ordering, problems, cooking, and taste.
You now have a complete survival guide for any food situation. Remember our words: decaf, allergic, baked, and split the bill.
Your homework is to write down the order you would make at a restaurant next weekend and include at least 2 cooking verbs and 2 descriptive taste words.
We will read every single comment. Thank you for listening to English with Ben and Emma.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We will see you next week. Bye-bye.